Yeah, hello. I'm guessing that the reason why you ended up watching this video here is because you notice a slight change on your MacBook Pro here. And that change is here, this touchpad is suddenly really hard to click. So like when you want to press down on it to select something, it's suddenly much different than before. And the reason for that I'm going to show you right here. And that is the battery. The battery is exactly located underneath this touchpad. I'm not sure if it's here on the right side or on the left side. I think it's here actually on the left side, just like this. And then when you take a close look here on the battery, you see this bump here in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to, yeah, I think it should be pretty clear. So this bump here is suddenly appearing because the battery is bad, and that is pressing from below against the touchpad, and so that makes it difficult to press suddenly. So this bump on the battery means your battery is bad, and it may be dangerous. So you want to take care of this as soon as possible before it may even get worse and your laptop, your MacBook may be destroyed. So take the battery out or bring it to like the Apple store or any computer repair store.